Hello, in this video session I'm going to show you how to start and complete Plm tasks. To do this, click on the Plm menu and choose Plm Tasks page. Here in this screen, the user will see the tasks assigned to it itself. If user wants, he can go to the team page or the company page. And you can also filter with start date of the tasks as well. To start any task, right click on the task and click start. And to complete, right click and choose complete. If you want, you can cancel, or you can do other details like assigning another resource, or you can make the planning again with plan button. You can click on the sample info so you can see the sample card itself. And if the user has privilege, the user can see unassigned tasks as well in here and assign the tasks from here.